Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my edges tutorial for this curly edges look. Today's video is in collaboration with Hurela Hair. This is their box. This is their 26-inch wig. It is very long. So I'm going to show you guys how I did the edges on this wig today. And yeah, this is the edges tutorial. It's very detailed. I'm talking through it for you guys, so it's gonna be easy for you to follow along. When you take out the edges, make sure that you go in and pluck it a little bit so it's not so thick. Just don't pluck it too much because you don't want it to be bald, but and make sure that you're plucking here and your sideburns the most, just because those are the areas that are the most thinnest on a natural hairline. Okay. And then once you have it plucked to your desired density, go ahead and cut it. Don't cut it too low because we want to curl this. So cut it like this much, like that much. And once it's curled, you can go back in and cut it again, like just trim it to make sure that it's the length that you want it to be. And once it's like this, I'm gonna go ahead and curl it using this small flat iron. This is the ceramic bread flat iron. It's very tiny. You can use your regular flat iron as well. I'm just using this one because I feel like it's gonna give me more of a curl. I'm gonna wait for that to warm up. And this is how the hairline is looking so far. Okay, so now I'm just gonna curl this hair. And with me, I'm gonna curl going away, so up and away, like so. Like that. Okay, this looks crazy, but everything is curled going away from my face. And this is how you're gonna get your curls to swoop and do all this extra stuff. Okay, and then once you do that, make sure you have your edges brush. And mine is a little bit gunky, but oh well. And I'm gonna be using some Got2b spray. Spray your brush like that. and then go ahead and start putting it on in the roots area and kind of start swooping the edges how you want it to swoop. Using your finger to push the hair down. Okay. I do want to go in and trim the hair a little bit right here. Like trim the front. Like so. Just so it can still give like a natural effect. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start swooping. And then I'm gonna use the comb side and my finger to push it down. And then swoop this around. You can use the hot comb to curl it some more. And then just take it since it's hot and swoosh it around. Just like that. And then I'm gonna do the rest of them. This one, I want this one to go forward, so I'm just gonna take it out like so. Make sure you trim it as you go so it's not like too long and fake looking. And then use this to mold it down. Okay. And then I'm gonna do my sideburn. I do want the sideburn to have a curl, so I'm going to just flatten it down so like that, and then take the rest of it and kind of just use my finger like that, so it's still giving off like a natural type of look. And then right here I want this one to have a little curl, so I'm going to use the flat iron again and just curl that going up, and it's gonna have a curl like that. A lot of people are not gonna like these type of edges, but I just felt like this is a different look, and if you're going for a nice cute look like this, there's some people that will like this. So if you don't like it, please don't judge me. I feel like it's really cute. It's giving off a different type of look than the regular no baby hairs or just like simple baby hairs. It's giving off like, I don't know, these curly adult hairs, I guess. So I'm gonna do this one right here, and for this one I'm gonna take it and then swoop it like so. Bring it over, like take it and bring it over and then swoop it like so. And then use your comb side of the edge brush to soften it up. I'm going to pluck a little bit from the middle. I don't want it to be too thick. And trim it down a little bit if you need. This is like trial and error, so don't frustrate yourself if you're not getting it on the first try. Just take your time and keep going back and you're gonna get it. So that's the middle one. It can still go in and pluck out areas that is a little too thick, like right here. And just go back in with some more. I want a little bit of this going that way, so I'm gonna take out some from like right here, because I want this to go like so. So I can give it like a wispy edges look. And then I'm gonna swoop this going like that. Like so. I'm gonna use the flat iron again to curl this so it can give it like a nice ringlet type of thing. And if you like your hair to look put together, I do not recommend doing these type of edges, because these type of edges are very like long and wispy and all over the place. So I'm gonna pluck some out of right here just because it's way too thick. And if it's too thick, it's not gonna look natural, so make sure you keep that in mind when you're doing it. Keep plucking it until it's as natural as possible. Okay, I'm gonna do this side area. I wanna pluck a little bit. And this is how the edges are looking. It might be a little bit too much for some people, but it's perfectly fine for me because I'm gonna go ahead and put some curls in this hair. So this is how the edges are looking. I want to fix this one a little bit. And guys, if you don't like this video, please do not leave any negative comments, just because obviously it's a tutorial and not everybody likes natural edges, and plus it's just a tutorial and we know how to do natural edges. So I just feel like this is for anyone that's wondering how to do the little curly edges. It might be a lot for some people, but I just did a lot on my hair just so you guys can see more than one section of the hair being done. But that's basically how you get those curly edges, and you could do more or less. If you've seen my previous video, you notice that I did less. So I'm gonna go ahead and give my hair some big curls, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys. I'm using my Ion interchangeable curling wand on 410 degrees. I'm gonna just curl this in some big curls. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm gonna use the Got To Be Beach Trippin' Texturizing Finish Spray. I'm gonna just flip my head over, spray it, and then we're done. Try spraying it more towards like the root area. So this is the end look. The hair is pretty long. Okay, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. Let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial and did it help you get a better understanding on how to do the curly edges method. Yeah, don't forget to visit Hurela Hair. It's not giving me no shedding at the moment, but keep in mind I'm just installing it. I've not been wearing it for that long to give you like a true review on it, but this is how it's looking. The lace on it is so beautiful.